Skeptical about the NIMO gaming desktop, GeForce RTX 5068GB Intel i5-14400F. Here's what changed my mind. Or didn't. So, let's dive into the three features that actually matter: the graphics card performance, the processor power, and the storage speed. First off, the GeForce RTX 5068GB is no joke. It delivers 614 AI TOPS of performance, making it perfect for hardcore gamers playing 3A masterpieces at 2K high FPS. I've had this thing running in my office, and it's seamless. You can have a video rendering software open while gaming without any lag whatsoever. And honestly, the Intel i5-14400F processor is where things get interesting. With up to 4.7 GHz turbo speed and 10 cores, 16 threads, it's like having an army of tiny processors at your disposal. I've seen streamers using this thing for high-quality gameplay recording, and it handles it with ease.